Let's learn alphabets with sounds. A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cookie. Cookie. D is for duck. Duck. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fire. Fire. G is for goal. Goal. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jigsaw. Jigsaw. K is for kite. Kite. L is for leaf. Leaf. M is for magnet. Magnet. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rose. Rose. S is for spider. Spider. T is for truck. Truck. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for volcano. Volcano. W is for water. Water. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for jet. Jet. Z is for zip. Zip.